Back at it, man. Clear Lake, NASA 1. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. I'm hooked up right here on Black Drums. I'm double hookup. Black drum, baby, black drum. I'm out here by myself. Go get him over here. Sir. Clear Lake, that's the one. Whew. Nice puppy draw. Gonna put him on the stringer. The other one I have. Sir. I'm gonna watch my other line. Be quick about that. Was that my pole? God damn. Got him. Woo. Yes, sir. All I'm using, the 25-pound mono circle hook right in the mouth with just a regular weight. Yes, sir. Got fish for you. Puppy drum. Whew. Let's go ahead and put him on the stringer. Yeah. Stringer. I need to give me a stringer, y'all. Where can I get a good stringer? Good stringer. Because, god damn. It'd be a, see what I'm saying? God damn me, I'm gonna lose the damn fish for fucking with this. Got him in there. Ooh. Got two. Oh. I got some crabs up in here. Putting crabs in there. Whew. Let's hook back up. See what we got on this little one. It's a nice day outside. Beautiful day, cloudy. Oh, I got hung. Man, I broke off, y'all. I broke off. I gotta tie it back up. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and throw this back out there. We're gonna go ahead and throw this back out there. Rig up again. I'm just using shrimp, dead shrimp, cutting it in half, put it on the circle hook. Just like this. I put through one time, then the second time just for an extra hold. Ooh, we're ready to go. Been out here about like an hour. Not bad. Got me 2 fish. A nice jumbo crab. We throw it right there, not too far. Set the drag. Gonna leave it there while we rig up. They're beautiful out here. About where they fix the boats. Hopefully a big old fish don't. I got the drag set, but shit, still. I'm right here on the NASA 1. One of my spots. Y'all can come, just keep it clean, man. Just keep it clean. The restaurant owner already be to my right over here be already running people off, talking about private property. I just try to pay them off right now at the fish, but that's why I'm on this side and not on that side. But yeah, let's get back to it. Go ahead, rig up. Nice, beautiful day. You know, I'm using my light setup too. A little 50-pound test line. We're gonna put the Laser Sharp Eagle Claws on. Leader with a wave, it comes with a hook. I don't like the hook, but we're gonna have to do. I can't take the hook off. Gotta watch the rod. Hope y'all having a great day, y'all, man. Y'all go adventure the outdoors. It's a beautiful day. Let's get a couple more, and we go ahead and change locations or go and call it a day. I would like to catch at least 2 more fish. We're gonna see what this do. It's a little overkill weight for my little light rod, but it'll do fine. We're gonna do a regular fisherman's knot. Just loop it in the hole, loop it in, loop it in, loop it in, and then twist around the line. I'll give it 8, 10 times. That should do it. And I put it back through the loop. Back to the loop. I cut the tag off, which is the access string hanging off, where I tied it. Boom, there you go. There you have it. And the weight moves around freely. Go ahead and put a bait on it. Another half a shrimp. Let's go ahead and toss it out. Back in that same spot. And we just watch. We just wait to see. Set the drag. You always want to set the drag on your fishing rods. Like, that's more like it right there. Is drinking on this coffee out here. Nice, beautiful day. Had to take the glasses off, God, it's a little humid. 2 rods right here. Whew. Sir. Now we wait, it won't take long. I'm gonna have a bite on one of these. Meantime, okay, cool. Oh man, I haven't been out here in a little minute. A good little couple months. Feels good. Feels real good. I want to catch me some crabs, but I can't leave these rods unattended. Even with the drag set, I don't trust it. I'm trying to go catch some crab. At least good little half dozen. Half dozen be fine. Crabs all in there, I know it.